This is Mix Kai, and in this video I'll be making a very slow recording of the Stamitz. This first recording I'm going to make is quarter note equals 40, and in a separate video I'll make one that's quarter note equals 50. Performance tempo is somewhere from 70 to 90, maybe even a little faster, so I would check out performance recordings on YouTube to get a good idea of what your goal tempo is going to be. Alright, I'm going to move this over so you can see my hand, and here we go. The first measure is a pickup measure, so we're not starting on beat 1, we're starting on beat 2. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 1.